everyone, today I am here with a new recipe. I am going to make two sandwiches. One is chicken sandwich and one is egg sandwich. So let's get started. First I am going to make chicken sandwich. Chopped carrot, capsicum, this is also chopped, shredded chicken, coriander, chopped, yogurt, mayonnaise, this is cumin and pepper mix, and salt as per taste. Mix it. Our chicken sandwich filling is ready. You can even use grated carrot and grated capsicum instead of chopped carrot and chopped capsicum. Now keep this bowl aside and take another bowl to mix the egg sandwich filling. Take onion, chopped onion. First put the egg yolk and mix it. Chili mayonnaise, mix. Now the chopped egg white. This is the mix of cumin, pepper and chili powder. If you prefer less spicy, then no need to add that. Now add the coriander. Mix it. Our both fillings are ready. Now I'll start spreading. I'll use white bread for the egg spread. And I'll use brown for the chicken spread. Sandwiches are ready. Now I'll give it a taste. They're nice. Kids will definitely love it, and also elders. Thank you. Subscribe and like my channel.